Hello, fifth standard students. Good morning. How are you? I hope you all are good. Enjoying your holidays. Yes or no? Okay. Today we are going to start our next problem set number 40. Okay. And what is the name of the lesson? Lesson name is decimal fraction. Lesson number 9, decimal fraction. Okay. Today we are going to learn problem set number 40. Okay. कौन सा लर्न कर रहे हैं हम लोग? प्रॉब्लम सेट नंबर 40. Okay. Look here. First we learn this problem set number 29, 39 you had already learned, but very few students send me the homework. What about the others? Why don't you learn? Solve it. If you have any difficulty, call me. Okay. Now, in this problem set number 40, we are going to study how to write half, quarter, 3/4 and 1 in decimal form. Okay. So, half is usually written as 1/2. You know that? Yeah. You know that half is usually written as 1/2. Okay. To convert this fraction into decimal form, the denominator of 1/2 must be converted into an equivalent fraction with denominator 10. Okay. You know, half हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं 1/2. But to convert this fraction into decimal form, the denominator of 1/2 ये half है. We must convert this in a decimal form. So for that, the denominator of 1/2 must be converted into equivalent fraction with the denominator 10. Okay. So for that we convert this denominator. Okay. 10. Okay. So 1/2. How to convert this? Multiply 5. Okay. If you multiply denominator by 5, you must convert multiply the numerator also. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. That means, और ये कैसे लिखते हैं हम लोग? 0.5 है ना? Like this. Okay. Just as we convert denominator 10, we can convert this denominator by 100 also. How? 1/2, that is 1/2 multiply 50. Okay. That means 50 ones are 50 upon 100. That is 0.50 है ना? Okay. That means what? 1/2 means 1/2 means what? Half है ना? This half we can written as 0.5 or 0.50. Okay. Like this, quarter and 3/4 are written in the fraction. So quarter कैसे लिखते हैं हम लोग? Quarter कैसे लिखते हैं? Quarter means 1/4 है ना? In a fraction कैसे लिखते हैं? 1/4. Okay. And 3/4 कैसे लिखते हैं? You know what? How to write the 3/4? 3/4 3/4 है ना? Like this, quarter and 3/4 are written in the fraction like 1/4 and 3/4. Let's convert them into the decimal form. इसको भी हम लोग decimal form में convert कर सकते हैं. 10 is not the divisible by 4, so we cannot. 10 is not the divisible by 4 है ना? Therefore, the denominator 1/4 and 3/4 cannot be made into fraction with multiples of 10. So यहाँ पे हम लोग 10 नहीं, denominator 10 नहीं हो सकता है ना? So we, however, 4 is multiplied by 25. So how you convert this? 1/4 multiply 25. We can convert them into 100 है ना? Okay. Convert this into 100. है ना? Convert this quarter and 3/4, this fraction, ना, we must convert into an equivalent fraction with denominator 100. Okay, ये जो fraction है, we convert this fraction into equivalent fraction with denominator 100. 100 हो सकता है. So 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. That means 0.25. Okay, here also we can convert this. 3/4 multiply 25, है ना. That means 25 3s are 75 upon 100. That means that is 0.75, है ना. That means what? Half means, अभी देखो, once again I am going to write here. Half means, once again, half means 1/2. इसको हम लोग कन्वर्ट करेंगे. We convert this into the decimal form. That is 0.5 or 0.50. Okay, like this. Quarter means what? 1/4. That is 0.25. Okay, and 3/4 means 3/4 in a fraction form, and इसको हम लोग लिखेंगे 0.75. रिमेंबर, ये चार्ट आपको याद रखना है. If you are called 1, write down this, 1 and a quarter. How you write this? 1 is the whole number. A quarter means 1/4, है ना. A quarter means 1/4. 1 लिखा हमने, 1 and a quarter means this one, ना. Quarter means 1/4. 1 I write here, and a quarter means 1/4, ठीक है ना. So 1 point quarter means what? 25, 0.25. तो 1 is the whole number. यहाँ पे कुछ नंबर नहीं, इसलिए हमने 0.25 लिखा. और here is 1 whole number. So 1.25. If there is 1.5, 1 and half. 1.5 means what? 1/2 means 1/2, है ना. That means 1/2 means 1.5 or 50. 1.5 या फिर 1.50 भी लिख सकते हैं आप लोग. ओके, थर्ड है 1 and 3/4. समझो, 1 and 3/4. 1 and 3/4. 1 means 1 full, 3/4 means 3/4, है ना. So 1.3/4 means what? 0.75. It is 1.75. Understand? Okay. For example, 17, third one, 17 and a half. 17.5 है आपके पास. तो 17.5 means 1/2. That is 17.1/2 means 50 और 5. अंडरस्टैंड? इजी है, हाँ. और 17.5 लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? लाइक दिस you have to solve this one. Problem set number 40. You have to convert this. Write the following fraction as decimal form fraction. जैसे हमने ये लिखा ना अभी, हाँ, like this. You have to solve problem set number 40. This one. There are 6 sums are there, 7 sums are there. You must write like this. Okay, understand? Quarter means 0.25. 3/4 means 0.75, and half means 0.50. Okay. After that, now प्रॉब्लम सेट नंबर 41. Problem set number 41. Adding the decimal. Addition of decimal fractions या फिर adding decimal fraction. Decimal fraction का addition करना है आपको. Okay, so if for example if the cost of one pencil is 2.5 rupee, okay, for example the cost of one pencil is 2.5 rupee and the cost of the pen is 4.5 rupee. What is the total cost? Tell me. The cost of one pencil. Cost of pencil. What is 2.5? 2.5. Okay. And the cost of pen. The cost of pen is 4.5. 4.5. तो what is the total cost? अभी ये देखो ये कैसे लिखते हैं हम लोग. 2.5 मतलब 2 rupees 50 पैसे है कि नहीं. एंड 4.5 मतलब 4 rupees and 50 पैसे. ओके है कि नहीं. नाउ ऐड दिस सिंपल एडिशन. 2.50 प्लस 4.50 that is 0 plus 0 0 5 plus 5 0 1 कैरी करने का इधर 4 5 6 and 7 that is total cost is 7 rupees. ओके समझ में आया सबको. अभी देखो look here. Addition, add 7.09. Okay, I'm giving you the example. Look here. 7.09 plus 54.93. इसको एडिशन करना है, ऐड करना है. सो हाउ टू ऐड दिस? इजी है. पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट आना चाहिए, याद रखने का आपको. 7.09. हियर देखो पॉइंट, हियर 54 and 93. Look here, this is the right way to write this. Okay, understand? ऐसे लिखना है आपको. पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट आना चाहिए. यू मस्ट राइट द फर्स्ट फॉर्म. द सम 12 is 100 plus. Okay, like this. Understand? फिर add this. 9 plus 3 12. You write here 2. Okay, 1 carry here. 9 and 1 10. Write down 0 here. 1 carry here. 7 plus 8 9. Sorry, 7 plus 8 1 8. 8 plus 4 12 again. Write here 2 and 1 carry here. 5 and 1 6. Okay, like this you have to add these numbers. Okay, this is the right way. पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट आना चाहिए. अंडरस्टैंड? अगर आप पेंसिल लिखेंगे तो आपका रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ये राइट है. समझे? पॉइंट्स के नीचे पॉइंट आना चाहिए. यूनिट प्लेस पे तो 4 टेंस यूनिट्स. यूनिट के नीचे यूनिट, टेंस के नीचे यहाँ पे टेंस. ओके, लाइक दिस. अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन हियर. दैट इज सेकेंड वन इज 45.83 प्लस 167.4. देखो अब लिखते व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग डिस्टेंस छोड़ के लिखना है क्या आपको. 445.83. अभी लुक हियर इधर है 167 पॉइंट, पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट, आफ्टर पॉइंट है 4, इसके नीचे ही 4 आना चाहिए पॉइंट के बाद, एंड हियर 167, 7 is on a 6 and then 1. Okay, look here, there is no number here, so you can write here 0, 0.4 या फिर 0.0, 40, and then you add this. Okay, simple way, 3 plus 0 3, 8 plus 4 12, 1 carry, 7 and 1 8, 8 plus 5 13, 3 point must write here, 1 carry here. Okay, 6 and 4 10 plus 11, 1 here, again 1 carry, 1 and 1 2. This is your right answer. Understand? Okay, as usual the digits with the smallest place value are added first, and then those with the bigger place values are added. मतलब first you must have to add, start from unit place, then 10 place, 100, 1000 respectively. Okay, serially. Understand? समझ में आया सबको? बस आपको जब ये लिखते हो ना, when you are writing the sum, it is very careful. Write this sum carefully. Okay, पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट आना चाहिए, पॉइंट के बाद वाले नंबर्स और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड के नंबर्स आपको ठीक से लिखना है. अगर आप मिस्टेक करेंगे तो योर आंसर विल बी रॉन्ग. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम सेट नंबर 41 ऑल्सो एंड सेंड मी. एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन जो प्रॉब्लम सेट नंबर 42 ऑल्सो लाइक दिस, ऐसे ही आपको सॉल्व करना है जैसे हम लोग माइनस करते. ओके, आई विल शो यू वन सब्ट्रैक्शन. सब्ट्रैक्शन फॉर एग्जांपल है 15, फर्स्ट वन 15.41 माइनस 8.58. ओके, अभी आपको ये सॉल्व कैसे करना है, यू मस्ट राइट लाइक दिस, 15.41, ओके, 8.58. और जैसे हम लोग नॉर्मल सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं ऐसे ही करना है. ओके, वी कैनॉट सब्सट्रैक्ट 8 फ्रॉम द 1, सो वी कैरी फ्रॉम हियर. ओके, हियर इज 11, इज 3, है ना. यू कैन राइट ड्रॉ द लाइन्स लाइक दिस, लाइन्स ड्रॉ कर सकते हो आप. ओके, ऐसे सब्ट्रैक्शन के टाइम पे. ओके, 11 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 3. Again here we cannot subtract 5 from the 3, so borrow from here 1, 13. Here is 4 remaining. 13 minus 5, 8. Decimal point here. Okay, again 4 minus 8, we cannot subtract 8 from the 4, so we carry here, borrow here from 14. 14 minus 8, that is 6. Here 0. Okay, बस when you are writing the decimal form वो systematically आपको लिखना है, otherwise your sum will be wrong. Okay, try to solve the problem set number 40, 41 and 42. Okay, and send me on my number. If you have any difficulty, call me on my number. Okay, bye.